Every time I go to a culinary class abroad, I take away so much valuable knowledge as well as a glimpse of the local culture with me. Meeting chefs who are passionate, humble, professional, and eager to share their experiences with us. Proud of their local ingredients they source and offer these treasures to us. We were merely strangers, but we crossed paths and gathered together for a brief moment for the most primal sense reason of the human instinct. Food it is.
我勸大家就呢個奶醬唔使，我勸大家就第一啖咧要落糖住，試試原味先。嗱，我哋飲即係正式沖嘅時候咧，你可以左手就得，右手。不過我習慣咧，我就用右手揸袋，左手倒倒手。OK， 呢個杯呢個壺嘴咧都係掂住。8成好啦，擺出嚟凍咗，溫度得唔得？呢個太少或者太多，多就係個茶多就係咧深色熱口。人客係飲係啊飲一邊㗎嘛，咁揸係啦。
覺得茶餐廳會
有睇到會有睇到會。有啲師傅咧，
留意下先至真係。
有啲師傅咧好有道德嘅，好似我咁。